How to gain weight fast at home. Hello and welcome to our video on how to gain weight fast at home. If you're looking to put on some extra pounds, you don't need to spend hours at the gym or go on a complicated diet. In fact, there are simple and effective ways to gain weight from the comfort of your own home. Here are some tips for gaining weight fast at home. Eat more calories than your body needs. To gain weight, you need to consume more calories than your body burns. This can be achieved by eating more meals throughout the day, or by adding calorie-dense foods to your diet such as nuts, avocados, and dried fruit. Increase your protein intake. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, so it's important to get enough of it if you want to gain weight. Good sources of protein include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, and lentils. Add healthy fats to your diet. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts, can help you gain weight in a healthy way. They also provide a range of other health benefits, such as improving heart health and reducing inflammation. Drink weight gain shakes. Weight gain shakes are a convenient way to increase your calorie and protein intake. They are usually made with protein powder, milk, and other ingredients such as fruit, nut butter, and oats. You can easily make your own weight gain shakes at home or purchase them pre-made at a store. Incorporate strength training into your routine. In addition to increasing your calorie and protein intake, it's also important to engage in strength training exercises to build muscle mass. Bodyweight exercises, such as push-ups and squats, can be done at home with minimal equipment. By following these tips, you can successfully gain weight fast at home. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or exercise routine. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips have been helpful.